Hi everyone. If we take a look at the global commercial buildings industry, there is a defining challenge that needs to be solved. How can we increase energy efficiency in our commercial buildings to create a more sustainable future? Here in North America, the efficiency needs in the building industry are closely interlinked with multiple megatrends that are influencing our industry. Decarbonisation, digitalisation, and modularisation are all shaping the future requirements of commercial buildings. In addition, we see three direct drivers pushing building designers and owners towards more sustainable designs. One, a regulatory component, where buildings need to meet legislative requirements and ensure compliance with both existing and future standards aimed at reducing energy consumption. Two, a financial component, where energy efficiency in itself offers substantial reductions in operational costs. At the same time, this opens up the door to achieving higher LEED scores or improvements in other certifications, improvements that are often incentivized in most states or regions. Lastly, a societal component, where we see an increasing public demand for energy-efficient buildings of all types. People are increasingly aware of the environmental impact of buildings and seek sustainable alternatives. We see increasing attention to energy efficiency from all stakeholders, and which goes far beyond legislative compliance. Building owners acknowledge the rising market demand for green buildings and the increased appeal of reducing energy consumption in HVAC and water systems. Consumers and users are strongly motivated to take an active part in the fight against climate change and reducing carbon emission. One example is the hospitality sector, where we're now seeing a growing demand for differentiation in the market by being the green and sustainable choice. When you work with Grundfos, you work with an established global industry leader. Throughout our history, Grundfos have been pioneers in the advance of HVAC and water system pumping technology. As the first ever manufacturer of integrated variable speed drives with pumps, we've demonstrated the will and the ability to drive our industry towards a more sustainable future. And as market leaders, we play an important role in driving energy efficiency. It's a responsibility we take very seriously. And as our tagline says, we believe there is possibility in every drop. Now, I'd like to take you through some of our specific solutions that we can offer you in the North American region. Today, our journey to energy efficiency means we're accelerating the transition from fixed-speed pumps to e-pumps. A key enabler of this is our MLE Motor, which exceeds all current efficiency standards. It also has the highest efficiency level of IE5. It's equipped with multiple intelligent control modes that are tailored to your specific application. That means it can deliver maximum energy savings and a significant reduction in carbon emissions. This is just one example of how we work to become the environmentally friendly choice for customers and help you stay ahead of the curve when it comes to future regulations. Now, individual pump efficiency is without a doubt crucial for sustainable building design, but true efficiency goes beyond a simple pump. We need to optimize the whole system, and that's where Grundfos distributed pumping comes in. Distributed pumping is a great example of using proven technology to simplify hydronics design while delivering system-wide improvements in efficiency. And distributed pumping is a game changer for connecting components in commercial buildings, and here's why. HVAC systems are designed for peak loads and critical branch pressures. However, peak load only occurs less than 1% of the time during a heating or cooling season. These systems spend the majority of their operating hours in part load conditions, typically less than 50% of their peak load. This makes commissioning these systems extremely difficult. Time-consuming, balancing procedures often lead to underperforming systems and poor dynamic flow control. This leads to severe energy loss, inadequate climate control, and often an uncomfortable indoor environment. The Grundfos distributed pumping solution is a very simple concept. It removes the control and balancing valves and replaces them with intelligent and maintenance-free pumps. This means that the system is designed with components that generate pressure only when and where it's needed. A Grundfos distributed pumping system will not only meet your design intentions on commissioning day, it will automatically adjust to changing system conditions and exceed expectations throughout the entire life of the system. Distributed pumping is a great solution for both new construction and retrofit projects. It will help take your building to a new and more sustainable future. So we've looked at the most efficient pumps, and we've also looked at how you can take a holistic system approach to improving comfort and efficiency. Now let's dive into how you can make things simple and easy by moving from pumps to modularized system solutions. A prime example is our brand new o.Delta HCU range of packaged HVAC systems. While other industries have invested to increase efficiency and cost effectiveness, the construction industry has not been keeping up. many projects still suffer from slow installation, missed deadlines, overrun budgets. In addition, there's a growing shortage of available skilled labor for on-site construction in the North American market. These challenges can be reduced with prefabricated systems or modular off-site builds. Prefabricated systems enable you to increase the energy efficiency throughout your entire operations. Modular systems remove unknown risky factors associated with on-site construction. They help ensure quality in critical systems and increase performance while reducing the risk of injury and delays. This market transition has actually already played out successfully in the boosting space, where Grundfos already holds a strong market-leading position. The Grundfos Delta HCU provides a single source solution for hydronic heating and cooling that simplifies the construction process. Similar to distributed pumping, by taking a systems-based approach to pumping and efficiency, our state-of-the-art onboard controller, the CU352, with power-optimized pump sequencing, offers tailored control modes to optimize your HVAC systems. At the same time, the Delta HCU can also be customized by our team of system design engineers, so we can meet your specific project requirements and ensure an optimal fit. It's for these reasons that I believe prefabricated modular systems will continue to become more and more popular in the coming years. I hope you found some of these solutions inspiring. To me, they show the many possibilities that we already have at our disposal when it comes to increasing energy efficiency, reducing complexity, and just working smarter in general. At Grundfos, we're determined to be the best partner when it comes to making energy-efficient HVAC and water installations in your commercial buildings. We think it's time for the industry to think differently about system design and help move our industry forward to a more sustainable future. And our determination goes beyond just delivering pump systems and technology services. That's why we've committed to the Science Based Targets Initiative, signing an obligation to reach net zero in 2050. And that, of course, includes taking a bit of our own medicine and looking at our own operations and buildings. For example, our newly opened North American headquarters in Houston, Texas, where I stand today. This is the first ever LEED Platinum version 4 building in the entire state of Texas. We're the only global pump solution company that has currently signed up for the Science Based Targets Initiative. And it's this type of industry leadership that we want to continue to develop with you, wherever you work. But the net zero target is not something we can achieve on our own. We need to work together with you, our customers. Let's contribute to a greener future while benefiting from the expertise and resources of a trusted global industry leader. What I hope you'll take away from this event is that we're looking forward to building a stronger energy efficiency partnership with you, the professionals in HVAC and water solutions for commercial buildings across the Americas. We're striving for a partnership that builds on 3 key pillars. 1, a collaborative approach to successful energy-optimized buildings. 2, supplying world-class technology, pump systems and services where you need them, when you need them. Lastly, an ambition to achieve real best of both worlds results, substantial energy savings, and improved system performance. I hope you'll welcome our next steps as we look forward to engaging with further discussions with each of you. We look forward to bringing our latest solutions to you, including our brand new Delta HCU systems for HVAC. Stay tuned in the coming months for some exciting announcements and events. It's time to speed up the journey towards greater energy efficiency and a more sustainable future. So let's work together. Let's energize tomorrow. Thank you.